Hello children, welcome. Children, in the last class we saw the lesson Rip Van Winkle of class 5th. Remember? Yes. And we finished the story. It was a wonderful story about a young man whose good nature, बहुत अच्छे आचरण का है, but at the same time he is a lazy man. So he goes to a hill and there he drinks something and he finds some funny men over there, dwarf people there, ठीक है? वो कुछ बौने लोगों से मिलता है जो पहाड़ पर जाता है and they give him something to drink, उसे कुछ पीने के लिए देते हैं in the barrel, लकड़ी का एक बर्तन होता है, right? So barrel, okay, तो from the barrel they pour something in the glass and he drinks it and then he goes off to sleep. And when he gets up, he finds himself in the same place where he had met that dwarf man for the first time. ठीक है, जब वो पहली बार उस नाटे व्यक्ति से मिला था, जब वो जागता है तो वो पाता है कि अरे मैं यहीं पर हूँ. But before this dwarf man he calls me, आ जाओ, come help me. इशारे से कहता है, because he's carrying the barrel. And then both of them they take the barrel along to the mountain. And there when he goes there he finds more men like him, बिल्कुल उसके जैसे नाटे, and they had what? Beard of different colors and different shapes. उनके जो दाढ़ी थे वो अलग-अलग शेप के थे, आकार के थे और अलग-अलग रंग के थे. And Rip was so amazed to see them. But those men, वो जो लोग नाटे बौने लोग थे, what they were doing? They were playing 9-pin games. मैंने आपको बताया था 9-pin games. एक गेम होता है जिसमें 9 पिन्स होते हैं और आपको बॉल को लुढ़का कर उन्हें एक शॉट में उन्हें गिराना होता है. So these men were playing. They were enjoying the game, but their face was what? उनका चेहरा जो एकदम गंभीर था, serious. Their faces were serious. But normally children, when you play, what do you do? Oh, you're screaming, you're laughing, you're shouting, you're enjoying, right? लेकिन these were very weird, very funny. These were okay. So Rip was a little frightened also. So when they gave him that thing to drink, जब उन्होंने उसको पीने के लिए बैरल्स दिया, so he drank. Then because he was very thirsty, he asked for some more and he drank again. And then he fell. नींद में चला गया. जब वो उठता है, then he gets up, then he finds, अरे, he is not in the same place. He is back into that same place जहाँ पर वो पहली बार उस व्यक्ति से मिला था. And then he says, okay, let me go back. चलो मैं चलता हूँ वापस. When he goes down, he descends. First he ascended, now he's descending. Okay, अब जब नीचे उतर रहा है, what he finds? He finds that every person is new. जिन्हें देख रहा है वो तो सारे के सारे लोग एकदम नए हैं, गांव के सारे लोग नए हैं. And people are also looking at him. सारे लोग उसे आश्चर्य से नजर से देख रहे हैं. And somebody says, hey, look at that man's beard, so long. ठीक है, एक व्यक्ति कहता है देखो तो उसकी दाढ़ी कितनी लंबी है. Suddenly he realizes, को ऐसा महसूस होता है कि अरे क्या ऐसी बात है. And then he strokes like this, ऐसे धीरे से ऐसे सहलाता है. Then he finds, oh really, my beard has grown so big. मेरे दाढ़ी तो सच में बढ़ गए. And then he finds that his hair is also all grizzled, कच्चे पक्के बाल हैं. And then one old lady comes, एक बूढ़ी औरत आती है, and then looks at him like this. ध्यान से देखती है, उसको कहती है, oh, this is Rip Van Winkle. अरे ये तो Rip Van Winkle है. Welcome old friend. Welcome old neighbor. अरे मेरे पड़ोसी, वापस स्वागत है तुम्हारा. Where were you all these 20 years? इन 20 साल में तुम कहाँ थे? That means after drinking he had a deep sleep. यानी कि उसने जो पिया था वो पीने के बाद वो कब तक सोता रहा? He slept for 20 years. So all right, children. So that was the story. So today we are going to continue the next part, and it's part 2. Okay, children. Well, children, fun with new words. Yes, there are some new words. Let's say, circle the correct meaning of the given words. आपको बहुत सारे words दिए हुए हैं. आपको करेक्ट मीनिंग में आपको सर्कल करना, घेरा लगाना है. और sometimes you may need to use the dictionary also. because we have to find out the meaning of these words. Okay, but here I am to help you out. Okay, the first word is idled away. As you know, Rip Van, he idled away, you know. So that means wasted, rested or admired. Idled away means wasted, यानी कि बर्बाद करना. Let's make a circle around wasted. Okay, on to the next word, constant. There are options. Constant means coffee. The meaning of constant is construct, banana, to make something. And the meaning of constant is steady. That means always, to be continuously. That means, so constant means it's not coffee, it's not to construct, not to make something else, but it is steady. लगातार यानी कि. Okay. Next is companion. Companion means dog. क्या companion का मतलब dog है? Stranger, that means ajnabi or new person, unknown person. And the next word is partner. Children, you might remember that Rip Van's constant companion was his dog. That means his companion constant. That means partner. Companion, partner, साथी. हिंदी में हम कहते हैं साथी, partner. Alright, next word, realize. Realize means to understand, समझ आना. To set free, खुला छोड़ देना. Real, सचमुच. Well, the meaning of realize is to understand. Let's encircle this word. Next word is, children, descend. Just now before, some time only I had told you. Descend means, let's see the option. To not send, नहीं भेजना. To be decent, यानी कि आप बहुत decent, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से, बहुत अच्छे व्यवहार से रहना. And then to move down. Yes, children, I had told you, descend means to move down. And what is the opposite of descend? The opposite of descend is ascend, to go up. Descend means to go down. Alright. Next, barrel. Barrel also just now I had told you. Barrel is a wooden container, a musical instrument. क्या कुछ म्यूजिक के बजाने वाली कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, कोई वाद्य यंत्र है? Or a bag. Is it a bag? Is it a bag? No. Is it a musical instrument? No. Is it a wooden container? Of course, it is a wooden container. मैंने आपको बताया था ये लकड़ी का बना हुआ होता है, इसमें कुछ चीजें डाली जा सकती हैं. Alright, next is contents. Options are to be happy. Okay, to be happy, खुश हो जाना. The ingredient, जो सामग्री है, that is called contents. और the index of a book, जैसे आपके बुक में इंडेक्स में सामने लिखा होता है 1, 2, 3, चैप्टर 1, चैप्टर 2, बुक्स के अंदर की सारी चीजें जो दिखाई जाते हैं. Is it called contents? And the answer is the, यहाँ लेसन में according to the lesson, contents means the ingredients. यानी कि उस बैरल में जो contents थे, जो चीजें थी, that is called content. That is, it is the ingredients. Number 2, children, match the words in the box with their meanings. ठीक है? Here's the box. आपको बॉक्स के साथ में इस मीनिंग के साथ मैच करना है. ओके, you will take the help of a dictionary. Yeah, children, you have to take the help of dictionary also. If you find it difficult, you can find out the meaning from the dictionary. Alright, now look at the words. Grizzled. Okay, grizzled. Next word is astonished. Next, foothills. Next, stroked and familiar. Let's see this. Near the lower part of a mountain. Mountain क्या निचला हिस्सा. So, is it grizzled? No. Astonished? No. Foothills? Yes. Foothills. You have read to us at the foothills of Catskill Mountain, right? तो माउंटेन, कैस्टल माउंटेन के नीचे वाले से, सो फुट हिल, सो near the lower part of mountain, that means let's write down foothills. Foothills. All right. Next, with gray hair. With gray hair. This is over. You did not read. Is it grizzled? Yes, grizzled. Let's write down. See the spelling, children. Grizzled. There's two Z. Okay. Grizzled. That means with grey hair. Okay. Now, to rub gently. To rub gently. Grizzled is over. Foothills over. No, these three words are left over. Astonished? Nah. Stroked? Yes. How, what Rip Van did? He just stroked his beard like that. He stroked his chin like that. Stroked. That means to rub gently. There is a Sahrana. So the spelling is S-T-R-O-K-E-D. Stroked. And the third word is to be very surprised. So these words are over now. These two are left. Astonished and familiar. To be very surprised. Astonished. Let's see the spelling, children. A-S-T-O-N-I-S-H-E-D. Astonished. Okay. And the last word, of course, known to you. आप जिसे जानते हैं या परिचय या परिचित. That means, and the first word is familiar. Let's write down F-A-M-I-L-I-A-R. Familiar. Okay. There. Familiar. So let's read out, children. What's the meaning? Near the lower part of a mountain means foothills. With grey hair, that means grizzled. To rub gently, that means stroked. To be very surprised means astonished, and known to you, that means familiar. Alright, children, over to let's read part. Okay. Say whether the following sentences are true or false. You have to say. The sentences are given here. सारे sentences वाक्य दिए हुए हैं. आपको true है या false है आपको बताना है. And these sentences are from your textbook, from the story. ठीक है? जो कहानी हमने पढ़ी है रिप वैन विंकल की, उस कहानी पर आधारित है ये सारे sentences और आपको बताना है वो सही है या गलत है. Let's read out. Rip was kind to children. वो बच्चों के प्रति दयालु था. True or false? Of course it is true. ना? और children are very fond of him, right? So we're going to write true. T-R-U-E. True. Okay. Next sentence. Rip was a hard-working man. Was he real, children? क्या वो बहुत ही मेहनती व्यक्ति था? No. So this is not correct. So it is false. So let's write down false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Okay. On to the third sentence. The short old man on the mountain was his constant companion. The short old man, जो नाटा सा old व्यक्ति था, बूढ़ा व्यक्ति था, माउंटेन में जो था, जो पर्वत पर था, was his constant companion. क्या वो हमेशा उसके साथ रहता था, उसका साथी था? No. Yes or no? Well, I remember his constant companion was his dog Wolf. So this sentence is false. ये गलत है क्योंकि उसका साथी जो लगातार साथी रहता था वो था उसका कुत्ता जिसका नाम था Wolf. So this is given कि ये old man था. So this is wrong. This is incorrect. So we are going to write false. Okay. On to number 4. Rip helped the old man on the mountains because Rip ने उस old man को पहाड़ में mountain में help किया. Because क्योंकि he wanted to have a drink from the barrel. क्योंकि वो चाहता था कि उस बैरल में से उसे कुछ पीने को मिल जाए. Is it true? Yes or no? No. But Rip was a very good natured. He used to help others, no? उसे कुछ नहीं चाहिए था, वो हमेशा दूसरों की हेल्प करता था. वो तो वैसे ही गया था हेल्प. He just went to help him out. Okay, so it is, children, false. False. On to the next, fifth one. Rip was away for 20 years. Rip जो है 20 साल से कहीं दूर चला गया था. Because क्योंकि he was asleep on the mountain. क्योंकि वो पहाड़ों में सो गया था. True or false? True. After drinking, he went to sleep in the mountains. So it is true. On to sixth one. The drink from the barrel made him fall asleep for 20 years. The drink from the barrel. जो barrel में जो drink था, जो पीने की चीज थी, उसके पीने से वो 20 साल तक सो गया. True or false? True. Okay. On to the seventh one. Nobody recognized Rip. किसी ने Rip को नहीं पहचाना. When he came back, जब वो वापस आया तो किसी ने उसे नहीं पहचाना. But because he had reached the wrong village. क्योंकि जब वो पहुंचा तो किसी ने उसको नहीं पहचाना, क्योंकि वो गलत गांव में चला गया था. Is it so? No. Why? Nobody recognized him. क्यों किसी ने नहीं पहचाना? Because his beard had gone, his hair, they all had become grizzled, grey hair. And so it is wrong. It's not correct. So it is a false statement. Complete the following sentences. Here are some sentences. We have to complete them. Okay? And number one is, Rip's village was situated. Rip का जो गांव था वो कहाँ पर था? Well, children, if you remember, it was at the foothills of Catskill Mountains. Let's write down. Rip's village was situated at the foothills of Catskill. That's the name of the mountain. Catskill Mountain. Okay, so we can read out. This village was situated at the foothills of Catskill Mountain. On to the second one. The children of the village loved him because गांव के बच्चे उसे बहुत प्यार करते थे. क्योंकि because he played with them, and what else? Taught them. क्या सिखाया उनको? Taught them to fly kites, K-I-T-E-S, and what else? Shoot marbles. Marble खेलने के लिए भी सिखाया. Shoot marbles. And what else? That the very interesting part was, and told them stories. Okay? Stories. Children, you all have to write this down. Okay? Okay, so let's read out. The children of the village loved him because he played with them, taught them to fly kites, shoot marbles, and told them stories. Okay, on to number 3. Dash was his constant companion. Just now I told you. Who was his constant companion? What? His dog, Wolf. Let's write down. His dog, Wolf. That was his name. His dog, Wolf, was his constant companion. Number 4, the villagers stared at him because गांव वाले जो थे उसको घूर रहे थे. Because why? Because his beard had grown 1 foot long. 1 फुट लंबा हो गया था उसकी दाढ़ी जो 1 फुट लंबी हो गई थी. And his face had become wrinkled, झुर्रीदार हो गए थे. Okay, so let's read. The villagers stared at him because his beard had grown, GROWN, had grown 1 foot long. Okay, 1 foot long, and his face was wrinkled, झुर्रेदार हो गए थे. Okay, because he had come after 20 years. Now let's read the villagers stared at him because गांव वालों ने उसको घूर कर देखा because his beard had grown 1 foot long, and his face was wrinkled, और उसके चेहरे जो है झुर्रीदार हो गए थे. Okay, and number 5, the old woman who recognized Rip was, वो जो old woman थी जिसने Rip को पहचाना था, who was she? She was his old neighbor. वो उसकी पुरानी पड़ोसन थी. She was the neighbor, old neighbor. Well, children, I hope you might have understood the whole exercise part. And I want you all to go through the exercise again and do write these things, whatever I have written. And please do write in your notebook, but with a pencil. Okay, and do go through the whole story. Okay, so that we'll having a good practice in reading. And children, the rest of the portion we'll be seeing in the next class. Okay, so till then, bye bye.